Introducing ReadyLIFT's new 2020 Gladiator JT. Now, we had originally intended to debut this vehicle at Moab Eastern Jeep Safari, but for us and for most everybody else, that event has been canceled, obviously due to the strange events in our world. So we thought we'd take this time now to tell you what we've done to our new toy. The first thing we did right off the bat is our 4-inch terrain flex kit. Now, the kit comes with 4 lower control arms, Falcon 2.1 shocks, coil springs in the front, spacers in the rear, and we also added a Falcon 2.0 Nexus steering stabilizer. We wanted to get up 4 inches because we wanted to run a big, serious tire. We have a 38 by 1350 Nitto ridge grappler wrapped around a 20 by 10 -18 fuel wheel. Now, this is a 38 by 1350 on a wheel that's 10 inches wide with a -18 offset. Now, we have plenty of clearance for daily driving after we remove the front bumper. But for serious off-road articulation, we're going to move to a flat fender. The reason being, at full compression, we will interfere with the factory fender. For daily driving, certainly if you're running a 37 or something a little bit smaller, you'll have no concerns with our 4-inch kit, but because we anticipate some pretty aggressive off-road conditions, we're going to go ahead and make that adjustment to flat fenders. Now, all this creates plenty of room for a serious tire to tackle the off-road challenges. In addition, we reached out to some of our friends in the industry, like Addicted Desert Designs. They provided the front and rear bumpers. Our friends at Warren Winch sent us a 10,000 S Xenon winch, and we have other goodies on the way. We've even included some of our AMI styling demon hooks, fair leads, and a 50 cal antenna. And the Fab Shop guys have spent a little time playing with a fancy new tire carrier for us. One of the first things that ReadyLIFT did when it picked up its new 2020 Gladiator was realize it needed some bed protection. So we reached out to our friends at Linex of Rancho Cordova. They were able to give us this great looking color match Gobi Tan Bedliner. It's going to provide durability and long wear for the punishment we're going to put it through, like throwing that big old heavy tire carrier in there. To learn more about our ReadyLIFT kits and this build, please visit ReadyLIFT.com, and as always, follow us on social media.